and good day. My name is Jürgen Steinmetz from eTurboNews, and this is a breaking news update. For more news updates and shows, please go to youtube.com/travel news group. youtube.com/travel news group. Here's our update.
Canada bans all direct passenger flights from Morocco. Based on the latest public health advice from the Public Health Agency of Canada, Transport Canada is issuing a notice to airmen restricting all direct commercial and private passenger flights to Canada from Morocco from August 29, 2021 until September 29, 2021. Transport Canada restricts all direct commercial and private passenger flights to Canada from Morocco. Morocco flight ban is in effect from August 29 until September 29. Canadians are advised to avoid any non-essential travel outside of Canada. Canada has some of the strictest travel and border measures in the world, and is prioritizing the health and safety of Canadians by continuing to take a risk-based and measured approach to reopening its borders. Like every other element of Canada's COVID-19 response, border measures are based on available data, scientific evidence and monitoring of the epidemiological situation both in Canada and internationally. An increase in COVID-19 positive test results has been observed in travelers arriving in Canada from Morocco over the past month. Based on the latest public health advice from the Public Health Agency of Canada, Transport Canada is issuing a notice to airmen, NOTAM, restricting all direct commercial and private passenger flights to Canada from Morocco from August 29, 2021, at 0:01 Eastern Daylight Saving Time until September 29, 2021, at 00:00 Eastern Daylight Saving Time. All direct commercial and private passenger flights to Canada from Morocco are subject to the NOTAM. Cargo-only operations, medical transfers or military flights are not included. To ensure aviation safety and to reduce operational interruptions, flights from Morocco that are already in transit at the time of the publication of the NOTAM will be allowed to proceed to Canada. As an interim measure, until the NOTAM comes into effect, all travelers arriving on those flights will be required to take a test on arrival to Canada. Transport Canada is also amending the interim order respecting certain requirements for civil aviation due to COVID-19, related to third country pre-departure COVID-19 molecular tests to include travelers to Canada from Morocco via an indirect route. This means that passengers who depart Morocco to Canada, via an indirect route, will be required to obtain a valid COVID-19 pre-departure test from a third country other than Morocco before continuing their journey to Canada. The third country testing requirement will also come into effect on August 29, 2021, at 0:01 Eastern Daylight Saving Time. Canada continues to closely monitor the situation, and will be working closely with the government of Morocco and aviation operators to ensure appropriate procedures are put in place to enable a safe resumption of direct flights as soon as conditions permit. Restricting flights from countries of concern is part of Canada's general approach to the responsible and effective management of Canada's border reopening plan. Canadians are advised to avoid non-essential travel outside of Canada. International travel increases the risk of exposure to, and the spread of COVID-19 and its variants. Border measures also remain subject to change as the epidemiological situation evolves.
Thank you for listening to our news update. There's more on youtube.com/travel news group, or you can read us, of course, in going to our news portal at eTurboNews.com or travelnews.online.